this was the reaction.
What? What the fuck?
Let me correct. This was the first reaction. And after that, the hard work, the grinding, and the time, and all the efforts that we put in farming the Kamino airdrop was not worth at all. And if you still have some faith left in you, then you can just probably go with the staking of KMNO tokens in order to boost your points on Kamino Finance yet again. So in this video, we'll talk about how you can boost your KMNO points on daily basis, and Kamino Finance gives 300% multiplier to our points. But let's find out the truth behind this particular 300% gimmick. And also we will decode all the boost and all the formulas of KMNO. So let's get into it already. And recently Kamino announced that around 60% of the accounts that claimed KMNO token has staked their token, and it is around 370 million KMNO tokens. And when we open up their official website and check out the Kamino, here we can find out this particular section called KMNO, and here you can stake your KMNO and get the boost. But if we check out the tokenomics and all sort of formulas of KMNO token, we can see that we can get up to 300% boost. So let's figure it out how we can get it, and it will basically increase over time, and the longer you will stake, the higher your multiplier will be. This is to promote KMNO token so people don't sell it up immediately, though people sold it up, and you can check out the chart of KMNO token, how it went downhill as soon as it launched. And this is what happens with most of the tokens out there. But as the time will progress, they will be bringing out more use cases for this token. Otherwise there's no point of keeping the token and just using it up for the boost, because this gimmick of airdrop might not be attractive for all the people out there. So you would be able to utilize KMNO token in governance as well in the future when they launch the different proposals, and you could just manipulate the decisions with the holding of your KMNO token. But currently, let's talk about the boost perspective. So you would be getting 3x the points per day boost for every dollar of KMNO token that you will be staking, and you can purchase more of KMNO tokens from the market. But there's one formula which explains that whenever you will stake some additional amount of KMNO which is purchased from the market, your multiplier will decrease. But there is a catch, we will find it out in a while. And we can also see that you will be getting base staking boost of 30%. So it's better to stake some KMNO. It would straight away give you 30% boost on your tokens, and it doesn't matter how much you are staking, you would be getting 30% as the base amount, and on top of that your amount of KMNO will depend. So the higher the amount of KMNO tokens will be there, the higher the boost will be, and you would be getting 0.5% extra boost for every day until you reach the maximum percentage of boost or the multiplier, which is 300%. Whatever the amount of KMNO tokens that you will stake, you will be able to get the boost for the double of that particular amount of KMNO that you stake. Suppose you are staking 1000 KMNO tokens, then you would be getting the boost on 2000 points of yours. If you are actually earning 3000 points per day right now, then out of those 3000, you would be earning the boost only on 2000 points according to this formula. So this way you would not be getting the boost on all of your points, but a part of your points depending on the KMNO tokens that you will be staking. And also it doesn't matter how much KMNO you would be staking. If your points per day is 3000 and you are staking KMNO, suppose 3000 as well, then you won't be getting the boost for 6000 points, as you are not earning 6000 points, you are just earning 3000 points. So you would be getting the boost only on the points that you are already earning without staking KMNO tokens. So KMNO only boosts the part or the whole of your points depending on the amount of KMNO tokens that you will be staking. Also, if you remove your money or the liquidity from KMNO Finance or Kamino Finance, then you won't be getting any boost on your points after that. It is necessary to have active allocation of liquidity on Kamino Finance in order to earn the boost. It's not like that you have earned certain amount of points and you would be getting boost on it forever. You would only be getting the boost after you have active allocation of liquidity on Kamino Finance. And if you stake for a year and you are getting 0.5% daily, then you would be earning 182.5% boost or multiplier by the end of the year. And if you stake for 540 days, only then you would be reaching 270%. So I don't think so people will be staking that long until and unless there are some actual use cases of KMNO token instead of just boosting, because there will be some new projects in the market that will be giving out better returns. So people will try to shift from KMNO to some other platform or Kamino to some other platform. Also, this is the formula that explains that the more amount of KMNO that you will be purchasing from the market and staking it, your boost will reduce, but the amount of KMNO that you are earning per day will increase. Suppose you were getting the boost on 500 points of yours and you purchase some amount of KMNO from the market and stake it, then the earlier boost that you were getting on 500 points will increase to 1000 points, for example. But the amount of boost that you were getting, suppose you were getting 30% boost or the 45% boost on your 500 points, then after staking, according to your number of KMNO that you have staked, you would be getting the boost on 1000 points, but the boost will be 30%. So the boost percentage will reduce, but the boost amount will increase. But this will increase whole of your points that you are earning per day. So this was all about KMNO tokens and their boosting and all sort of details regarding it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. See you in the next video.